Another one of my favorite salads is called the chunk salad. It's chunks of vegetables. And when I tell my friends this, they're a little taken and they look at me and they're like, huh? A salad without lettuce? Yeah, exactly. Sometimes my lettuce is the first to go. Sometimes I just run out and I have some good veggies left. And sometimes I just don't want the lettuce. I just want the goods. So let me grab, I need my veggie peeler. Here it is. I knew I had it. The basis and what I like to eat the most is tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. A lot of times I'll throw on a nut, maybe like a pine nut, really creamy. I'll also throw on olives, avocados, whatever I'm trying to use up. I'll just make a small one for me right now. Pepper, tomato. Ooh. When I make this, a lot of the juice from the vegetables is all I really use as the dressing. Maybe a little bit of lemon juice. Sometimes the brine of the olives can really add some good flavor. You can add anything you want to it. You can add any vegetables. If you want to get rid of some carrots, throw carrots in. You have even zucchini. Raw zucchini is really good. And that's my chunk salad. I don't need so much. It's just a little bit of lemon juice. I'm going to throw in a little bit of olive oil, but you don't always need it. Just a teeny little bit. And pepper. And that's about as easy, we'll use some tongs. It's about as easy of a salad as it gets. There you go. Fresh veggies, chunk salad. Add this to a grain if you want. If you want to try to use up some of those grains that you have, just add some grains in with it. Like I said, add some olives. What else goes good? Nuts. And you got yourself a really easy whole foods, fresh, raw salad. Thanks everyone. See you in the next video. Eat whole foods. Be healthy. Bye-bye.